tell me tell me a little bit about, you know, what's the best way to not touch your eyes? And, that obviously it's a big thing with, touching your anything that's open on your face right now. So give us a little.
To be honest with you, that's been a concern forever. When you think about the way eye care has evolved, people have always worn glasses as far as we know as a way to correct the vision, and the switch to contact lenses is a transition that one needs to learn, contact lens hygiene. And the reason you focus on hygiene is when you get that close to the eye, you introduce all kinds of things to the eye that are potentially dangerous, bacteria, viruses, things that are so beyond the control of even what medical science can do as far as controlling a really bad infection of the eyes, that we in the ophthalmological community are extremely concerned when it comes to hygiene and protecting your eyes from bad habits. So the best thing and most significant thing that we always emphasize is hand washing. If you have to touch your eyes for any reason, wash your hands. Get away from the bad habits of trying to touch and rub your eyes. Typically when you rub your eyes, it's because your eyes are dry. And you're doing that because, you've either overworn your contact lenses, or you're spending a lot of time in front of the computer, which has become a big and big event in our lives today. And so if you touch your eyes when they get dry by rubbing them, you're not helping. You're actually making the process worse. So we're very strong in terms of recommending awareness of what it is that makes you and stimulates you to touch your eyes. Whether it's allergies, we would recommend a protocol to help you with that. Whether it's dryness of the eyes, we would recommend something to help you with that. And you should seek eye care for that. But the best trick to not touching your eyes is awareness of the risks involved with poor hygiene and touching the eyes, and the dangers it can bring to your eye health.
It's time to get more of what's real. It's time for Contoura Vision. Time to open your eyes and really see. Brilliant colors and intricate textures. Sharp, crisp detail. Experience a life filled with action and motion and free from glasses and contacts. Time to see the things that make every moment more real. Contoura Vision makes it about you and real.